Hello, welcome to this session. I'm Engineer Mike Obi by name. Do you need to develop a web application or a software? You need to develop an e-commerce, be it an e-commerce, a management system, maybe a school management system, an employee management system, a hospital management system, whatever software you want to develop, okay? Maybe you want to do it using a variety of programming languages like PHP or Framework Laravel, maybe Java or a JSP and Servlet, or maybe it's framework Spring or Spring Boot. Maybe you want to develop an application using Python on this framework Django, or using Microsoft's own ASP or ASP.NET Core. All right. So look no further. I'm your man. Okay. So we are just going to be going through just this. This is just a brief video presentation of a database driven web application. Okay. This software is the concept through which a whole lot of management systems run, through which a whole lot of database management system run. Okay, so this spans directly from here, from the database. Okay, so these are all these are the codes here, the source codes or the programs here. Okay, this is done with an MVC framework. MVC means model, views, and controller. Models actually speaks to the database. Views are what displays to your browser, and of course controllers run the logic all around your application to show how it works. So I'm not going to be talking much about the programs here in this session because I want this to just be fast. All right, I want it to be under 5 minutes preferably. So that being said, let's just move straight with this. Okay, so yeah, so I'm going to be showing you how this works. All right, so let's say you want to create a new record, right? Let's say I make this Bruce Banner. Okay, so Bruce Banner, and let's say the city I use Gotham. Okay, and of course for the residential address, let me just say 11 Gotham Street here, right? So I click on create, right? It goes here. Okay, so Bruce Banner wasn't here before, Gotham wasn't here, and all this wasn't here. I just had one field here, right? So if I come here to my database, please note this reflects in your database, and also your database displays here also, it reflects. Okay, so it's purely database driven. Okay, so what do I mean? Let's see what we just did here, how it reflects here on our database. Okay, so when I just come here on my database, look at it. So we have Bruce Banner, Gotham, 11 Gotham City. This wasn't here before. Okay, so we can go on further and create more if we want. We could edit. So let me just create one more here. So let me come here and I click on this create new. I want to create new record here. Let me call this Clark. Okay, Kent. Okay, so we have a Clark Kent here, and let me call this Kansas. We there, the city, and let me just call this maybe 15 Kansas Street, right? And I click on create. Okay, so look at this, it reflects here also, and of course look at this, we have just these two fields. Okay, so let me just run this again here, and look at this, we have it here. So look at it, Clark Kent, Kansas, and all that. It wasn't here before. So this reflects from your database directly to your browser. Your browser spits it out. So it's purely database driven. And remember, this is the concept through which you run a whole lot of management system. Your hospital management system, your school management system, your employee management system, and you can go on and on. You develop advanced application using this. All right. So you can as well come and edit. Let's assume I want to edit the Bruce Banner. I just put Bruce Banner Bat here. Okay. So let me just make it Bruce Banner Bat. Okay, and I save it, right? If I go to my database, I'm gonna see Bruce Banner Bat. Okay, so let me just run it again in my database, and look at this. You have Bruce Banner Bat. Can you see it here? This is Bruce Banner Bat. Okay, so yeah, you can keep going on and on. How about I want to delete? Okay, let me say I delete Clark Kent. I come here, I click on it, look at it, delete details. Are you sure you want to delete these details? Yes, I want. I click on delete, it goes off. Look at this, you don't have Clark Kent here anymore. So you go to your database, it's the same. Alright, if I come here, I run it all over again, you ain't gonna see Clark Kent anymore. Alright, so it goes out. Come on, come on, come on, come on. So yeah, no more Clark Kent here. Okay, so you just have two fields here, likewise here. So you can keep on going and on and on and populating your database, and it will reflect here. Alright, so that's the whole concept behind this. Thank you for staying through all this short presentation, and please do have a lovely, 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 lovely day. All right, thanks.